Hey guys, so welcome and this is how to edit your contact information in Outlook 365. So first thing is just simply go ahead and select your profile on the top right corner of the screen. Now from here, go for my profile. Now from here, you could just simply select edit account info over here. So from here guys, you should be able to customize your contact information. So you should be able to add your email and add your phone number. And from here, you could choose a sign-in preferences as well, which you can customize on your sign-in method. And over here, you should be able to see the list of your accounts that you can remove or make it as a temporary email account for your Microsoft. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.